Welcome back. In this video, we're tackling a critical step for deploying an ADK agent that uses the Google Maps tool to help users. Our current local code, based on the ADK samples, uses an insecure pattern by defining the Maps API key right in the code. Our job is to replace this with a secure, production-ready pattern using Secret Manager. I did a video explaining why we need to do this and how Secret Manager works, linked below. Since we're deploying to Vertex AI Agent Engine, we will authenticate using agent identity, not a traditional service account. There are some important and useful differences. In the past, I recommended using a shared service account for agents in a project. However, agents are non-deterministic and stateful, which presents amplified risks compared to a usual machine identity. Agent identity is a specialized principal type for agents. It provides more convenience and better support for least privilege for agents than traditional service accounts. This identity is cryptographically attested to the runtime and cannot be impersonated like a service account. It's auto-provisioned when you deploy to the Agent Engine runtime, so you don't have to worry about creating it as a separate configuration step. The goal is to replace the insecure API key with a call to Secret Manager using the agent's new identity. We use the recommended pattern, and I'll use the same code I did before to give us a head start. Now, how this works with agent identity. Since the agent is hosted on Agent Engine, its unique identity is automatically available to the Google Cloud SDK. The application default credentials, or ADC mechanism, automatically uses this agent identity to authenticate the request to Secret Manager. We first grant the agent identity IAM permissions. IAM allow policies are extended to support the agent ID. We grant the agent principal the roles Secret Manager, Secret Accessor role, restricted to our specific map key secret. The benefit of agent ID is not just retrieving the secret securely, but being able to enforce least privilege across all agent activities. What else does the agent have access to? The unique agent identity is the verifiable principal that IAM and other policies are bound to. If our Google Maps agent is only meant to access its API key and the Maps tool, we can verify that it is denied access to other powerful tools or data sources. For example, we can ensure the Maps agent cannot access sensitive functions like delete user or reset password exposed by other MCP servers, even if another agent in the project might have permission. To see what your agent has access to, administrators can list agents and their identities in the Vertex AI Agent Engine console or via the REST API. Agent identity is also used to log activities across Google Cloud services. When the agent acts on its own authority, like fetching the API key, the logs only show the agent's identity. By combining agent identity for strong authentication with Secret Manager for credential handling, we move from insecure shared keys to a production-grade least privilege security model. I'd really like to know what you're building and what issues you run into, and what you want to see more of next. I read every comment, so please let me know below. Thank you for watching.